Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today I wanted to do a very quick video on these Olsa Tools precision screwdrivers. Now they have a regular sized screwdriver set as well, but they do sell this set separately, and I picked it up on Amazon. It's on sale for an astronomically low price. So I will put a link in the description below where you can buy this right now at a good discount. I paid, I think it was a little over $1 a screwdriver. So the whole thing is less than $8. And then because Amazon doesn't rotate their stock, ask me how I know, I actually got one of the sets that came with a magnetizer. Now, the thank you card that come in the box with the screwdrivers said that was for the first 500, and we all know how those things go. But I kind of believe them on this one. Maybe they do include them in every set. I don't know. Somebody can comment down below if they get one that doesn't have the magnetizer in it. But this one did come with it, and the magnetizer works really well. I'm not going to demonstrate it. Suffice to say, the one I magnetized, I had to demagnetize a couple of times to actually get the demagnetizer to work because it magnetizes really well. So it did eventually demagnetize and everything's back to normal now, but that's a nice feature, especially when you're dealing with these very small screws. And I didn't pick this up for me because I already have precision screwdriver sets and stuff out here in the garage. You know, I don't really use them at work. We don't deal with a lot of small electronics. What I picked these up for are for the wife. In the house, in the junk drawer, or the tool drawer, it's all kind of one big drawer, but they will go in there for the kids' electronic toothbrushes, for the kids' toys that need battery changes. There's always that little screw. So, and then, you know, unseen other uses, but they're very nice, and they are diamond tipped, and yes, it's not some lie. Like, you can feel the texture. Is that going to wear off over time? Yeah, maybe, but with something like this, a small set of this nature, you're probably not going to use them very heavily, and you're not going to use them, hopefully, very often. So they're going to hold up for a long time, and you know, you're lucky enough to get one like I did with the magnetizer. This is a great deal to pick up. So there's not much to say. I mean, the quality's there. Olsa Tools makes good things. I just wanted to get this video out there to let everybody know that they are on sale currently for a deal that I couldn't pass up, and I hope that you can't either. Link is in the description below. There are big things coming to the channel, guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Matt from Just Wrench It. Take it easy.